This week is a bit of a weird one. I've been commuting to work the last couple of weeks and decided I'd show what it's been like transitioning back to an office setting. Of course, there's a bunch of food we made, and you'll get to see that too. Subscribe and hit the like button, and enjoy the rest of the video. I usually start with a hot beverage. Not always here though, sometimes I get it in the office. I eat breakfast before work starts in an empty conference room. Here's the view from one of the rooms I'm in. Now I'm getting lunch. We are attempting to make this. So far, it's okay. As you can see, we got HelloFresh to try. This part of the video is pretty much most of the meals we made. I'll write the rankings of what we've made so far in the description, but those burgers were definitely the best.
Wait, that's so much.
Yeah, there's a lot.
2 servings? This is like unnecessary.
Hers is prettier.
No, it's not.
Just send me one of them right now so that I can just bite it off.
Okay, so we are going to attempt the last order from the first batch of HelloFresh. Yes, you heard, first batch. This is apparently in their Hall of Fame. We're making barbecue cheddar pork buns.
I'm mayo.
There's mayo. Look at this little glass of barbecue sauce. Yes, it's
Glass of barbecue? You mean jar?
Jar? Yes, jar. So cute. This is chipotle powder.
Cool.
Oh, there are the buns.
It's moldy.
Is it?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Cheddar. And produce.
Wait, this isn't produce.
What is that?
Fry seasoning. We get fries?
Interesting. Yeah, there's potato wedges. That's why there's the potatoes, there's
Those
the
are
onions.
beautiful.
Wow.
HelloFresh,
All right.
please sponsor us.
Yeah, so far the food has been great. All right.
The only thing we need is lettuce. Wait,
Yeah.
they didn't give us any veggies.
Ah, weird.
Not even tomatoes.
Okay, let's
The
see
flour is the favorite.
how it'll go. Good job.
These are really tall burgers.
Not bad, not bad. Okay. As you can see, 2 bites already, but I can say... Pretty good. I see why it's on the Hall of Fame. We were saying earlier, well, wished it had like lettuce or something. Other than that, pretty dang good. Alright, now we're headed out for a nice dinner in the city. We're headed to Restaurant Row by the Theater District. It's on 46th Street by Times Square. We decided to eat at a swing and jazz place where there was live music and some pretty good food. We got a 3-course meal, salad and fresh mozzarella, barbecue and steak, and we both got warm brownies for dessert. The next day, we made our way to the American Museum of Natural History. I think it's... It was nice being able to wander and explore the museum again. Here's me explaining a little bit of the procedures at the museum. Okay, so you guys see that we are at the it's the Museum of Natural History. That's what it is. It opened up, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks ago. And the way it works is you have to find a reservation time, secure the reservation time, and then show up, obviously. And yeah, so we're just chilling, we're exploring the museum. There are some social distancing cues that we have to follow, like staying 6 feet apart, wearing masks, all that stuff. But other than that, we're back. Water spouts form in the ocean.
Oh, look how big look, the tiny fish with a giant eyeball. Females are so cute.
The ferocious head, really tiny arms. Boop. This is my favorite dinosaur.
Rhino-like thing.
Yes.
Oh, another word. Going the right way.
After the museum, we wandered Central
Why don't
Park.
we go that way with the walk?
We could. We went up to Belvedere Castle and then went to one of the many ponds.
He fell in it. Do you hear the splash? That's the size of an actual heart. That's so dumb. What? That's not the actual size. A heart is like this big. It's not this small. So dumb.
Finally, we made our way back home. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like, comment, and hit subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what your favorite dinosaur is. Mine is an ankylosaur. Anyways, thanks again. I'll catch you all next time. Have a good one.